Hello, this is Mr. Kalpesh Anil Isai, Assistant Professor, R.C. Patil Institute of Technology, Shirpur. Here, in this video, I am going to present subject-specific environmental awareness video for International FDP on Environment and Sustainability organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. In this video, I am going to present green chemistry as a sustainable chemistry. This is a summative video for this FDP. In previous weeks, I have prepared two videos. The details of these videos is given in this slide, such as in week 1, I have prepared a video on green chemistry, its a definition, its importance, etc. etc. It has number of views 35 and number of likes 6. In week 2, I have prepared a video on environmental standard. Its a number of likes are 4 and number of views are 16. In this video, I present various environmental standards, particularly related with green chemistry and ISO 14001. Now, the outcome of this video is that the outcome of the present video is that what is green chemistry and what are the sustainable chemistry education in the form of green chemistry. That is nothing but the outcome of this video. In the present video, I have particularly discussed with green chemistry, then carbon footprint, and the calculation of carbon footprint. Also, I have discussed about the standards, ISO standards. So let us discuss about ISO standard. ISO 14000 family is a series of guidance document and standards to help organizations address environmental issues. Particularly, ISO standards are 14001 for environmental management system, 14004 is a general guidelines for EMS, 14010 guidelines for environmental auditing, 14011 guidelines for auditing of an EMS, 14012 auditing qualification criteria, and few other ISO standards that are given in this slide. Particularly, these standards are for environmental sustainability. Now we will discuss about carbon footprint. Carbon footprint is a measure of the impact of a person's activities on the environment in terms of how much carbon dioxide produced by each activity. One chart is given here. It indicates that the average carbon footprint, particularly in India, it is 1 ton of carbon dioxide per person per year. As compared to USA, it is 20. In case of USA, it is 20 tons of carbon dioxide per person per year. For your better understanding, one YouTube video link is given here to understand the carbon footprint. Now, what are the sources of emission, particularly in case of carbon footprint? How the carbon footprint is increases? One case study is given in the form of food. Our food is also the source of carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases. Okay, so what are the facts that are related with this are given in the present slide. Food accounts for 10 to 30% of household carbon footprint, typically a higher portion in lower income households, particularly in lower income household. Next one, in the next slide, personal transportation also contribute this uh, carbon footprint. As we discuss in this slide, that passenger car produces 41%, commercial aircraft produces 7%, rail produces 2%, ships and boat produces 2%. All these results are generally shown how the carbon footprint or carbon dioxide emission is there due to various vehicles. Car and light trucks emitted near about 1.1 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide. So, after discussing these two case study, we will discuss how one can reduce carbon footprint. Okay, so how can I reduce my carbon footprint? There are various methods for reducing your carbon footprint. First one, driving more efficient vehicle. More efficient vehicle should be drive. Second, taking public transportation. Third one, using energy efficient appliances. Fourth one, insulating your home to reduce heating and air cost. Fifth one, consuming food that doesn't require much transportation. Sixth one, eating less meat. Seventh one, individual companies can also offset this carbon dioxide emission. Now we will discuss about green chemistry as a sustainable chemistry. Green chemistry is generally the utilization of set of 12 principles to reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances in the design, manufacture and applications of chemical products. Generally, green chemistry is a multidisciplinary field. It covers certain areas such as synthesis, solvents, catalysis, raw materials, products and efficient processes, etc. In the previous two videos, I have discussed about catalysis. Now, in that video, we will discuss about what are the principles of green chemistry. Generally, there are few principles that are given here. First one, use of renewable energy sources, use of alternatives to the hazardous chemicals, use of reactions with high atom economies, use of catalysts for reactions when possible, use energy efficiently, reduce and recycle waste, reduce waste use, reduce pollution from waste products, etc. etc. So if we follow these principles, we can make the environment and its sustainability. So promoting sustainability through green chemistry. Generally, green chemistry is an important in achieving sustainability. The implementation of green chemistry is nothing but the design of a chemical product process that reduce or eliminate the use and generation of hazardous substances, which it is essential if the expanding global population is to enjoy and increase the standard of living without living without having a negative impact on the health of the planet. Cleaner technologies will allow the chemical enterprise to produce or to provide certain sustainability. Now, in the last slide, we will discuss about the sustainability computation and standards. Generally, green chemistry is considered as a tool for the sustainable development, particularly in case of chemical industry. Generally, in case of chemical industry, catalysis also plays an important role because most of the chemical processes need catalyst to accelerate the reaction, to enhance its selectivity and to lower the energy requirement. For this purpose, catalysis is an important process. So current catalysts are generally much more expensive, toxic. So in order to reduce this expensive nature of this catalysis, green chemistry is the best way. Thank you for hearing this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe this video and like this video. For thank you again for this. Thank you again for watching this video. Thanks a lot.